Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business, but a lack of connections or capital holds you back? You're not alone. Many young entrepreneurs, students, and people looking for new opportunities face this challenge. But I assure you, it's possible to turn that vision into reality. Get ready to discover how creativity, strategy, and an unstoppable mindset can be your best allies. Starting a business from scratch is an exciting journey that requires more than just a good idea. You need a bulletproof mindset. This section is your initial guide to cultivating the resilience and vision that will propel you forward. It's natural to feel fear or doubt your abilities. You may think you need a large capital or an influential network to get started. But the truth is that many successful businesses started from nothing. Your greatest asset is yourself and your ability to learn. The entrepreneur's path is full of obstacles and moments of uncertainty. There will be good days and not so good days. The key is not to give up, to learn from each setback, and to move forward stronger. Every failure is an opportunity to improve. Before you jump in, take some time to reflect. What problem do you want to solve? What need do you want to fill? Having a clear vision and a firm purpose will give you the direction and motivation you need to overcome any adversity. Your passion will be your main driving force. Here are a series of practical ideas you can start today. These options are perfect for beginners, students, or unemployed people looking to generate income without a large outlay. Your intellectual capital and your time are your greatest investments. If you have deep knowledge in a specific area, you have gold in your hands. You can offer your services as an independent consultant. Think about digital marketing, personal finance, web development, or even image consulting. Identify your niche and who you can help. Freelance platforms. Start offering your services at an affordable price to build your portfolio and earn testimonials. Knowledge is power, and sharing it can be very lucrative. If you've mastered a skill or topic, you can create online courses. You don't need a university, just your experience and a good teaching structure. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Hotmart make it easy to upload your courses. Record your lessons with your phone or a simple camera. The value lies in the content and how you transform your students' lives. The digital world is hungry for authentic and valuable content. Creating a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast is completely free. You can talk about your passions, teach something, or simply entertain. The key is consistency and authenticity. Start with what you have: your phone, good natural lighting, and your voice. Over time, you can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or selling your own products. Businesses, large and small, need a strong social media presence. If you're good at communicating, creating engaging content, and understanding platform dynamics, this is your niche. Many companies seek help managing their profiles. Offer your services to local businesses or small entrepreneurs. You can start by managing 1 or 2 accounts to build your experience. Demonstrate how you can increase their visibility and engagement. Although it may seem like a traditional business, there is a huge demand for specialized cleaning and organizing services. Post-event cleaning, closet organization, or home staging. You can differentiate yourself with high-quality service. Start by reaching out to friends and family to get referrals. Invest in some basic cleaning products and organizational tools. Your reputation and customer satisfaction will be your best advertising. The pandemic taught us the power of virtual events. If you're organized and planning-oriented, you can offer your services to host webinars, workshops, conferences, or virtual meetings. Digital logistics are key. Familiarize yourself with platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. Offer packages that include registration management, technical support during the event, and post-event follow-up. It's a highly valued service. Become a treasure hunter and resell second-hand items. You can find vintage clothing, restored furniture, books, or collectibles. Act as an intermediary, promoting items and collecting a commission. Use platforms like Wallapop, Vinted, eBay, or Facebook groups. Learn to identify valuable products and present them attractively. Photography and a good description are essential for success. If you're fluent in several languages or have exceptional writing skills, this is a highly sought-after field. Businesses and individuals need accurate translations and well-written texts for their websites, blogs, or documents. Create a portfolio with examples of your work. Sign up for freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Offer your services at a competitive price at first to build your reputation. Quality and timeliness are crucial. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services. You don't need to create your own product. You just need an audience and the ability to recommend products authentically. You can do this through a blog, a YouTube channel, social media, or a podcast. Choose products you actually use and believe in. Your audience's trust is your most valuable asset. Many businesses and professionals need help with administrative tasks, email management, appointment scheduling, or research. If you're organized and proactive, you can offer your services as a virtual assistant. Work from home and manage your own schedule. Create a professional profile and highlight your skills. Offer hourly packages or specific services. Effective communication and reliability are essential to building lasting relationships with your clients. If you have a keen eye for design or a passion for website creation, you can offer your services as a freelancer. There's a huge demand for logos, branding, marketing materials, and simple websites for small businesses. Start by creating a portfolio of personal projects or projects for friends. Use free tools like Canva for graphic design or learn how to use platforms like WordPress for web design. Constant practice will make you an expert. Now that you have some ideas, it's time to equip yourself with the right strategies and mindset. These tips will help you navigate the entrepreneurial path with confidence and effectiveness. What makes you different? Why should a customer choose you over the competition? Your value proposition is the promise of what you offer and how you solve a specific problem. It should be clear, concise, and compelling. Identify your niche market and understand their needs. Then, articulate how your product or service meets those needs in a superior way. This will help you attract your first customers. You don't need perfection to get started. Launch a minimum viable product, or MVP, to validate your idea with the lowest possible investment. An MVP is the most basic version of your product or service that still offers value to your customers. For example, if you want to sell online courses, your MVP could be a free mini course or a live workshop. This allows you to get real feedback, fine-tune your offering, and build a customer base before investing more time and resources. The digital age is your best ally. There are countless free or low-cost tools that can help you manage your business, from content creation to communication and accounting. Use Google Workspace for email and documents, Canva for graphic design, Trello or Asana for project management, and social media platforms for marketing. Research and experiment. There's a tool for almost everything. Even if you don't have an established network, you can build one. Attend industry events, join online groups, participate in forums, and be proactive on LinkedIn. Networking isn't just about asking, it's about giving and building relationships. Offer help, share knowledge, and be genuinely interested in others. Strategic collaborations can open unexpected doors. Remember, every person you meet is an opportunity. The world is changing rapidly, and successful entrepreneurs are constantly learning. Take the time to educate yourself with free online resources. There are blogs, podcasts, webinars, and courses that will provide you with valuable knowledge. Platforms like Coursera, EDX, and even YouTube offer high-quality courses. Read books on business, marketing, and personal development. Invest in yourself. It's the most profitable investment you can make. Obstacles are inevitable on the entrepreneurial path. There will be moments of frustration, rejection, and self-doubt. The key is not to get discouraged. Use every experience, good or bad, as a lesson to grow and improve. Visualize your goals, celebrate small achievements, and surround yourself with supportive people. Your attitude toward challenges will determine your long-term success. Resilience is your driving force. You don't need a 50-page document. A simple business plan will help you clarify your vision. Define your business model, your short and long-term goals, your target audience, and your marketing and sales strategies. This plan is your roadmap. It will help you stay focused and make informed decisions. You can start with a lean canvas or a business model canvas, which are concise, visual tools. Even if you're starting out without capital, it's good to know about options for the future. Investigate local or international programs that support entrepreneurs with seed capital, microcredit, or idea competitions. Sometimes a small boost can make a big difference. Also consider bootstrapping, which is funding your business with your own income or savings. This gives you complete control and forces you to be very efficient with your resources. Social media isn't just for entertainment. It's a powerful and free marketing tool. Use it strategically to build your personal brand, connect with your audience, and promote your services. Identify your target audience and focus your efforts there. Create valuable content, interact with your followers, and be consistent. Social media can be your window to the world. You don't have to do everything alone. Look for collaborations with other entrepreneurs or professionals who complement your skills. A graphic designer and a copywriter can team up to offer a branding package. Collaborations can expand your reach, reduce costs, and offer added value to your customers. It's a win-win strategy that fosters mutual growth. Selling isn't about manipulation, it's about communicating value. Learn to clearly articulate how your product or service solves a problem or improves your customers' lives. Build trust and demonstrate your expertise. Practice your elevator pitch. Actively listen to your potential customers to understand their needs. Selling is a skill that is learned and perfected with practice. If lack of capital is a concern, there's no shame in having a steady income while you build your business. A part-time job or freelance projects can cover your basic expenses. This takes financial pressure off you and allows you to invest time and energy into your business without the urgency of generating immediate income. This is a smart strategy for many entrepreneurs. From time to money to energy, every resource is valuable. Learn to organize yourself and manage your resources efficiently. Prioritize tasks, delegate when possible, and avoid waste. Use time management and personal finance tools. Good control of your resources will allow you to maximize your potential and avoid burnout. Discipline is key. Imagine Maria, a graphic design student with no connections or capital. She started by creating free logos for friends and family. She then used those designs to build an online portfolio on Behance. He offered his services in Facebook groups at very low prices. With each project, he learned, improved, and asked for testimonials. Little by little, his prices increased and his reputation grew. Today, he has his own design agency. Or consider Juan, an unemployed man with a passion for healthy cooking. He started a YouTube channel with simple recipes recorded on his phone. At first, few people watched him, but he was persistent. He interacted with his audience and improved the quality of his videos. Over time, his channel grew and now monetizes through advertising, sponsorships, and the sale of a digital cookbook. These are just two examples of how determination and the application of these principles can lead to success. Your story could be the next. To help you on your journey, here are some resources that will be very useful. Learning platforms: Coursera, edX, Udemy, Domestika, online courses. Design tools: Canva, easy graphic design, Figma, interface design. Project management: Trello, Asana, task management. Content creation: YouTube Studio, channel management, Anchor for podcasts, networking, LinkedIn, meetups, local events, specialized Facebook groups, inspirational books, The Lean Startup Method by Eric Ries, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, Atomic Habits by James Clear. Blogs and podcasts. Search for entrepreneurship blogs in Spanish, such as Emprendedores.es or UG's podcast. Hoyer. These resources will provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to move forward. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Learn from those who've already walked the path. Starting a business from scratch without connections or capital isn't a utopia. It's an achievable reality for those with the vision, determination, and willingness to learn. You've received initial guidance, practical advice, inspiring examples, and helpful resources. An entrepreneurial mindset is your greatest asset, and action is your best strategy. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create the perfect moment. Start today with a small step. Choose one of the ideas, apply one of the tips, and commit to learning every day. Share this message with someone who needs a push. Subscribe for more inspiring content, and leave us a comment telling us what your first step is. Your entrepreneurial future awaits.